I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos on your iPhone. So if you accidentally deleted a photo and you don't know how to recover it, first you need to navigate to your photos. And let's say for the sake of example, I deleted this photo. Now you want to go to the albums and click on the top left to go back. Scroll down until you see recently deleted. You need to click on that, and then here you will find all of the images you have deleted, but make sure to recover them before the 30 days expire, because if it expires, the photo will be deleted. Just click on recover photo, and if we go back, as you can see, the photo is now recovered. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.